It's electric focus, and this is the AVA Master P60 pressure washer. Is it good enough to clean your car at home? Well, let's find out and get into the video. So let's go through some of the features that the AVA Master P60's got. Well, first off, and one of the important reasons I got it for was it's got a 20-year warranty on this, so you've got real peace of mind it's going to last a long time. It's also quite powerful, 145 bar. There's more powerful. You can get a P80 actually, which if you're going to be doing this professionally you might want to look at that, but I think for home this is powerful enough. You've got this extendable lance here, so you can extend that right out, which is really handy if you've got an SUV. It extends out to quite a long length. You can just put it back in and use it as it is normally. You've got what they call the zero force trigger gun, basically a stubby gun, and nice and easy to use, and not a lot of force, as it says. You've got an 8-meter extendable hose, so that's really nice and long. And I like the fact that it's steel reinforced as well, and that's one of the reasons I went for this one particularly, because I hate it when it gets all sort of twisted up when it's not steel reinforced. You've got two types of nozzles, so you've got the one that comes on the end here, that's for cleaning your car. That's a variable spray nozzle, so you can change the width of the spray for cleaning the car. And then you've got this more powerful turbo nozzle, and that's ideal for doing things like patios because it's a really powerful direct spray, so don't use that on your car. You get the AVA premium foam cannon, which you can change the angle of this so you can get more foam or less foam depending on your needs. And you also get one of these. I've got 3 of them because I bought 2 more so that you can, which I think is a good feature actually, because you can buy these for, they're only £5. And you can split up your different chemicals, but you get one with it, and it's a nice big beaker so that you can get your liquid in and mix it up as much as you need to. So you've got this follow me, it's called hose reel, which winds up nicely, but also, as it says, it follows you around when you're walking around with the jet wash when you're spraying. So that's some of the features it's got, but let's get it into action and see how well it performs, which is the key. The AVA P60 is really easy to set up. Once you've plugged it into the mains, you just have to connect up the hose and then turn on the water, and then just switch on the switch at the front, and you're all ready to go. Cleaning the wheels, I find that the extendable lance really comes into its own here. It can extend out to up to 96 centimeters, and I find it really comes in handy to get into those dark spaces under the wheel arches without you having to bend down too much. The premium foam cannon produces a thick layer of foam which grabs the dirt. When it comes to sound levels, the P60 emits 94 decibels, so reasonably loud. After a snow foam spray and rinse, I find that it's actually pretty good. Not that you could leave it like that, of course you need to follow up with a good hand wash. Particularly I find at the lower levels, sometimes, particularly when you're using the lance all the time, you miss some of the dirt down the bottom. So it's good to give it a really good thorough clean around, particularly around the bottom, to get those last difficult bits of dirt off the car before you do your final rinse. The easy trigger means that you can really keep rinsing to your heart's content. I do find once I've finished and I'm drying off, there's usually the odd little smudge here and there, but that can easily be taken care of in that final dry. and it's only the odd little smudge. So that's it. That's the AVA P60 Master, or Master P60, whichever way you want to say it. I think it does a pretty good job, certainly for home use, and you can get these around the £390 mark. That's the large bundle. Look out for that because you get everything with it that I've shown you. So I hope that was useful. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.